Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all will be fine. Let's open the English word book of class nursery. Dear students, it's week 3. According to our planning, today we are going to learn our word book page number 8 and 9 and also our reading book page number 6 to 9. Now let's open the page number 8. Dear students, first of all, mention the date on the top. Like the date is 29th of June 2020 and the day is Monday. Mark the day like this. Today our topic is, today we are going to learn how to write the small alphabet D. First of all, read the story with me. A deer is badly hurt and the duck, dolphin and the dog are very sad and they need a doctor to see the deer. Now dear student, look at the picture. It's a deer and he is badly hurted. Now the dolphin, dog and the duck, they all are very sad and they show their caring for the deer. Now dear students, do you take care of your friend when they get hurt? Dear student, let's answer the question. Do you take care of your friends? Students, जब आपका कोई दोस्त जब वो हर्ट होता है या उसको तकलीफ होती है तो क्या आप अपनी उसके लिए अपनी केयरिंग शो करते हैं? What will you do if your friend fall down and get hurt? आप क्या करेंगे जब आपका फ्रेंड गिर जाए और वो उसको दर्द हो या वो हर्ट हो? स्टूडेंट्स, हमें हमेशा जब भी कोई तकलीफ में हो तो अपनी केयरिंग उसके लिए शो करनी चाहिए और हमें उसकी मदद करनी चाहिए. Now over to the working. Trace and write. Today we will learn how to write the small alphabet D, as we will already learn about the first 3 alphabets, small alphabets A, B and C. Now today we are going to learn our alphabet D. Dear student, it's a small d. The D, we will write the small d in the first C line and the D is a sky letter. Now first of all, we will trace the small d and then we will write a small d. Now let's start working. Dear student, just follow the dots and trace the d. How we will write the d? First of all, make a circle like this and then move upward and a straight line like this. Again, write the D, follow the dots, make a circle, then go upward and make a straight line like this. Again, trace the D, follow the dots. First of all, make a circle like this and then move upward and make a straight line like this. Again, the next one, make a circle, go upward and a straight line. The next line, again trace a D. First of all, make a circle, then go upward and make a straight line like this. It becomes D. Now dear student, you have to trace these D's with the help of your parents. Now next line. Now we will learn how to write a D. It's a dot. Start from this point. First of all, make a circle in center to line and then go upward and make a straight line like this. It becomes D. Again, write D. First of all, start from this point. Make a circle like this. Go upward and a straight line like this. It becomes D. Again, write D. Make a circle. Go upward and make a straight line. Again, repeat it. Make a circle. Go upward and make a straight line like this. Again, write the D in the next line. Make a circle, go upward and then a straight line. Again, make a circle, go upward and make a straight line. It's D. Now dear student, you have to complete the next working and write the D in the next two lines with the help of your parents. Dear student, or to the next page, it's page number 9. First of all, mention the date on the top. Just put the date and mark the day like the day is Monday and just tick the day. The topic is right hand color. First of all, the different pictures are mentioned here. First picture is apple. Next one is banana. Then computer, and the last one is a dolphin. And we use different colors according to the picture. First of all, we will write the alphabet. It's A, B, C, D. Now, as we already learned how to write the alphabet, small alphabet A, B, C and D. Now, we will write the alphabet A to D in these lines. Now, let's start. As we know, the A is a gross letter and we will write the A in the center two lines. Now, how to write? As we already learned about A. Now, just write the A in the center two lines. First of all, make a circle and then down. It's become A. The next one is B. A straight line like this and then round. It's become B. Now C. How to write C? In the center two line, it's a half circle. It becomes C. And the last one is D. Make a circle, then move upward and a straight line like this. It's become D. Again, in the next line, A, make a circle and then down. B, start from the upper line, make a straight line and then round. The next one, C, it's a half circle. Then D, make a circle, move upward and a straight line. It's A, B, C and D. Now, you have to write the alphabet A, B, C and D in the next three lines with the help of your parents. Now, dear students, just color the picture. Use the red color for apple. As the color of apple is red, now use the red color for apple and the green color for its leaf. Now color the apple like, first of all, color the boundaries and then in the middle section. Color the apple like this. The next one is banana. What is the color of banana? Yes, it's yellow color and we use yellow color for banana. Now again, first of all, color the boundaries and then in the middle section. Color the banana like this. The next one is computer. What is the color of computer? The color of computer is black. We use a black color for computer, but we use the blue color for its screen. Now color the computer black and the last one is a dolphin and use the blue color for the dolphin as the color of a dolphin is blue. Now dear students, as a color session is also completed, just color all these four pictures like this. The next one is just read the phonic poem with your teacher and friend. Now let's read A. What's the phonic of A? It's A apple, B ball, C cat and D doll. Now as our today working is completed. Now dear student, let's open the English reader, page number 7. Now look and say, the alphabet is E. Now we are going to learn what's the phonic of E. The phonic of E is A. Now different pictures are mentioned, and each one is start from the alphabet E. Now the first picture is elephant. Now E, a elephant. The next one egg. E, a egg. Do you like egg? E, a engine. E, a envelope. E, a eye. E, a eagle. Now again, a elephant, a egg, a engine, a envelope, a eye, and a eagle. Now dear students, which nose belong to the elephant? Let's guess which one is belong to the elephant. Yes, it's A. The nose of elephant is picture A. Now tick the A like this. Next one is F. Now what's the phonic of X? It's F. What's the phonic of F? It's F. The first picture is flag. F, flag. F, figs. F, fire. F, fan. F, fox. F, frog. Again, F, flag. Figs. F, fire. Fan. Fox. Frog. Now answer the question, which things are used in the summer? Now dear student, which things are used in summer? It's fire, heater or air conditioner. Yes, it's fan. We use the fan in the summer. We also use the air conditioner in the summer. Also take the air conditioner. Now over to the page number 9. The next alphabet is G. What's the phonic of G? It's G. G, G. The first picture is grapes. Fruit. Do you like grapes? Yes. G, G, grapes. G, G, globe. G, G, goose. G, G, girl. G, G, glass. G, G, cat. Again, G, grapes. G, globe. G, goose. G, girl. G, glass, and G, cat. Now tick the missing piece of a girl. Yes, which one is missing? It's A. Now tick the A like this. Now dear student, it was all about today's working. You have to complete your work with the help of your parents. Also, it's your homework to write small alphabet A to D in your notebook. Make sure you're working with the help of your parents and do your work neat and clean. Dear student, for more videos, stay connected. Take care of yourself, and Allah Hafiz. Fi Aman Allah.